machiegni. Jatend migao mar omenda Johnm Mbado oyango ni sirkal onge kod nyalo mar siro chenro mag somo nono maonge chudo e skunde mag primar, sekondar kod chulo jopuonj mabende nitiere tiegruok kata intern teachers. Bende oyango ni piny owacho biro ndiko jopuonj mantiere tiegruok kata intern teachers maromo 20,000 higa manyien.
Now, as to what we need to do to be able to fund education in this country properly, I want to just say something, and it may rattle the honorable members, but that is the truth. That these monies that we have all over the place, we could consolidate them. For example, if you give me back NGCDF, give me 40% that you have allocated to bursaries, give it back to me. It is going to be over 20 billion, 22. Give it back to me.
It's going to disappear to the ministry.
I added to capitation.
No, it will disappear to the ministry.
For solution.
Order. We have seen it before. We have seen it before.
Jatend migao mar omenda Johnm Mbado ne loso e nyima komiti mano mabendo chungne weche mag somo e od bura mamalo.
The monies that are reaching the school are far much less than what the Muiria Commission expected. The school system will collapse. Muiria Commission never envisaged that out of the we would deduct and send 10,000 for operations. Unless something happens, the school system will collapse. Minister for Finance says he has disbursed all the money. Could the Minister for Education say, why are you retaining the monies and sending 10,000 per student every year?
Kwa machielo ni migao masomo